Hi, in this screencast I will show you how you can use conditions in Workbench. In the programming section you see these two operators. First one is compare two inputs and second one is check for empty inputs. These two operators can be used to check some conditions. The second one is pretty much straightforward. You can test it if a message or a string is empty or not. Let me give a quick demo. Let's drop the IsEmpty operator and to SMS API to the Workbench. I'm going to check if the user is sending me an empty message. So I'm going to connect the incoming SMS to the isEmpty operator and configure the isEmpty operator. For the input, you can select the incoming SMS one.message. That's it. Now you need to click and decide what to do if the condition is succeeded. I mean, what should I do if a user sends an empty message and what to do if a user sends an unempty message. Let's send a different message to each user. Okay, so when you have the isEmpty operator you can see two different icons, a green one and a red one. The red color has an if icon here, just notice it. The green one defines the true path and the red one defines the false path, meaning if the input is empty it will take the green path, if the input is not empty it will take the red path. So let's connect them both to the SMS API operators. If the incoming message is empty, I will warn the user. If not, I will send him a greeting. Let's go ahead and test it in the simulator. Please note that the SMS with only the keyword is considered as a blank SMS because we will remove the keyword in the backend to make your development easy. Okay, don't get it confused. Don't let it confuse you. Right. Let's send an empty message. Yep, we get the warning. And let's send an unempty message. And we get the greeting. Cool, right? So let's go ahead and test the if operator now. Previously we checked for the empty input. Now let's check for specific input. Let's say we want to send a help message when user sends help to the app. Let's drop a if operator and two SMS API operators just like we did for the isEmpty operator. And just like before, you have to configure the if operator, and if operator has two paths, a true path and a false path. So let's connect the operators and configure the if operator. Here you can see a couple of parameters like input, operator, value and int. Let's do a simple condition. If my incoming message is equal to help, I will send okay, we will help you soon. If not, I will say I can't understand you. Okay, before we do anything else, let's quickly test this. Right, save the workflow and run the simulator. Okay, we get the specified behavior. Now let's see what are the other things you can do. Get back to the workbench and click the config icon for the if operator. Here you can see the button called add condition. Click that and you will see a new row added here. Now you can combine couple of operations or conditions. Let's say you need to send a help message if the keyword is either help or HP. What you can do is Set O in the bind field and add the HP condition in the next line. It's very simple, right? Okay, let's go ahead and try it out. Let's run the simulator and cool. Let's go back one last time. I hope you remember me explaining the true and false part of condition operators. If you want to check another keyword and do something entirely different, you can simply nest multiple if elements. All you have to do is drop a if element and connect it to the false path of the first if operator and continue the same procedure. Go ahead and try it out. See whether it works. So that's all for this video. Thank you.